morning drinks that can secretly cause belly fat. Number one, coffee with creamer. Lalo na kung mataas sa sugar ang coffee natin. Kasi empty calories siya, puro lang sugar, pero wala tayong sustansyang nakukuha dito. Number two, fruit juices. It can cause insulin spike. And number three, not drinking water in the morning. Kasi alam mo ba, pag dehydrated tayo sa umaga, kasi ilang oras tayong natulog na walang pumasok na fluid sa ating katawan, this can signal hunger. And minsan, hindi na-differentiate ng brain natin yung hunger and uhaw na signal. Parehas po na nararamdaman natin gutom, and it may lead to too much eating in the morning. So ito yung tatlong mga drinks na secretly can cause belly fat. Are you looking for a wellness coach that will guide you little bits ng healthy habits that can take you to your ideal weight, ideal shape? DM us for free consultation. We provide meal guides, snack options, and nutrition support para sa iyong wellness journey.